Greetings, you're watching Automotive Territory. Our life is way too short to stay in one place. We have to visit new destinations, and there is no better way to travel than a camper van. Today we'll be showing you the most affordable models on the market that won't bankrupt you and will ensure that your next vacation is super comfortable. Moreover, we'll be adding to the lineup some extremely affordable conversion kits that do not require major modifications to the passenger van that you currently own. So stay tuned. Before we get to the lineup, make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and enjoy the ride. Recon Campers. When the president of the company is a true enthusiast of the field, then the eventually produced products will inevitably turn out great. Recon Campers, that is led by Stephen Shank, specializes in the affordable camper van solutions with Nissan NV200 as the conversion platform of choice. All in all, there are 5 packages in the lineup, starting from a comfortable rear bench modification that turns into a long lower bed or a lounger, and going up to the all-inclusive NV trim that gets pop-up upper bed, fridge sink, 10-gallon fresh water tank, water heater for the outdoor shower, table, and lots of additional storage compartments. The NV is controlled by a 7-inch LCD touchscreen control hub, which displays interior and exterior temperatures, fresh water tank levels, as well as the independent dimmable lighting in the cabin. Hillside Lasher VW Transporter. Even though Volkswagen themselves offer stock camper vans under the California brand, we are most interested in the custom conversions from the independent workshops, which are more affordable and have a wider selection of available options. With almost 15 years of experience, the UK-based Hillside Lasher stands out from the crowd. Their lineup includes 3 Birch Over models and the luxury Comfort. They have the richest sets of options in the compact van segment, including a sink, a toilet, an outside shower, a galley-style kitchen, pop-up roof bed with skylight, and a large fridge. As a quality-built VW, the car is powered by the range of 2.0 TDI Euro 6 engines with optional manual or automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive. And the prices for the Hillside VW campers fluctuate between $48,000 and $75,000, depending on the chosen package. Tsipras Camping Box. You no longer need to buy a ready-made model of a camper van or even convert your own one if you were to get one of the products manufactured by the small family-owned company Tsipras. Their solution is called a flip camping box, and it is compatible with numerous vans as well as other family cars like minivans and SUVs. It consists of 2 modules which are easy to install and separate, and the bed mattress takes advantage of the whole width of the vehicle it is installed on. Other box amenities include an extendable sink and a gas stove, compact fridge, and storage compartments. Southern Spirit Renault Trafic. One of the best ways to explore Australia is without a doubt driving and living in a camper van. However, the usual suspect VW California might be somewhat costly for many drivers, and that is why Southern Spirit Campervans Company is offering a custom conversion of a more affordable vehicle, Renault Trafic, that has been on sale on the continent since 2016. During the day, the compact motorhome can carry 5 people, while at night the Ramo seat from the well-known Vario range transforms into a queen-size bed. Upper bed under the pop-up roof is a bit smaller but can still sleep 2 adults. Other camper features are quite usual: full set of kitchen appliances, foldable table and swiveling seats, storage compartments, and an outdoor shower. Glamper Van Pro Master MUV. In case you prefer practicality and versatility over luxury and lazy comfort, then the multi-use vehicle created by the San Francisco-based Glamper van should match your tastes. Their latest design is powered by the Ram Pro Master that can become a part of your everyday life rather than just a weekend getaway. This 2-person camper can serve as a vacation vehicle, a mobile office on wheels, or a capable cargo van with 180 cubic feet of storage. The engineers went with a shorter 136-inch wheelbase with high roof, sacrificing the room to stretch for additional maneuverability and ability to park in tighter places. All the way in the back, one will find various compartments and a queen-side Murphy bed that can sleep 2 adults. Indoors amenities include a dining table, a sink with a large countertop that however is lacking a stove, while outside utensils encompass an optional outdoor shower and a removable toilet. Marco Polo Horizon. This newest member of the Marco Polo family is a stylish travel companion for those craving more active leisure. The Horizon is a mid-price range vehicle in the series. It starts from $62,000 and is more accommodating and comfortable than Activity, but less luxurious and equipped than the original Marco Polo. The van features a transformer interior with a 3-seater bench in the rear and enough storage space to hold everything you need in a trip. With a pop-up roof that can easily be turned in a sleeping space, the total number of people who can sleep in the van is expanded to 5. To make your sleep more relaxing, the car has electric vent windows, curtains, warm air heater, and roof ventilation inserts. As to the powertrain, Marco Polo Horizon comes in 3 diesel engine options, delivering 136, 163, and 190 horsepower respectively. Thank you for sticking around until now. If you're interested in the topic of outdoor exploration, we also have videos about caravan trailers, off-road campers, and bass vans on today's market. You will find the links to those videos in the info cards, description, and end screens. Let's keep rolling. Bus Box Santa Cruz. One more budget solution that conversion market has to offer is called a Bus Box Santa Cruz. The same-named company is headquartered in Munich, Germany, and sells ready-made modules that could be installed on Volkswagen Transporter T5 and T6 with only minor modifications like fixing up sliding rails. Purchasable accessories include an outdoor kitchenette with a sink, a gas stove and a foldable table, a 36-liter cooling unit, and cabinet box that is placed in the rear. Separate modules start at $1,700, while the full set costs around $4,800. Off-Grid Adventure Van. The Maryland-based company Off-Grid Adventure Vans is focused on producing the most affordable turnkey vans on the market. Even though they can custom modify practically any van you might request, the company specializes in conversions based on the Ram ProMaster platform. Depending on the selected wheelbase, either 136 or 159 inches, the price fluctuates between $26,000 and $30,000 for the conversion, plus around the same amount for the stock vehicle. Bear in mind that the latter, longer base includes a wet bathroom, while the shorter one does not. Among other features, we should list an 80-liter fridge, 28 gallons fresh water tank, standard kitchenette equipment, and sleeping quarters for 2. Another aspect that adds to the affordability of this camper is that Ram dealerships that OGA Vans work with will willingly finance the entire vehicle, including the conversion costs as an auto loan. Sewol Camper. If you live in Ireland and are looking for a low-priced vacation vehicle based on Volkswagen, Renault, Ford, or Peugeot vans, then look no further but Calico, which name stands for Cozy Leisure Company. Their top-of-the-line offering is Sewol Camper, built on top of Renault Master or Renault Boxer, with extended 20-feet wheelbase. This large home on wheels can boast a full washroom with electric flush toilet and corner sink. The kitchen unit is geared up with lots of storage compartments and combined 2-burner hob and sink with smoked glass lids, as well as an 85-liter compressor fridge with freezer. Both driver's and front passenger seats are swiveling, ensuring comfortable 4-person dining area, and the sleeping zone will easily accommodate a small family as well. Sewol Camper impresses with high-quality wood stylized materials, durable fabrics, and multiple additional options. ModVans CV1. Being fans of camping and active recreation, the creators of California-based ModVans have chosen modern Ford Transit T350, which is one of the best RV platforms today, to build a modular, easy-to-drive and power camper with a pop-up top. The resulting prototype is a family-friendly functional van that can seat 5 adults and sleep 4 adults and 2 children. It is a small kitchen with a furnace, a bathroom, an electric heater, and a pop-up roof that functions as a sleeping space. The rear seats have 2 positions, facing forward or against the driver wall. All parts of the van are modular, so you can build a camper that fits your exact needs. In addition, the car has 2 high-tech fuel-efficient V6 options, a backup camera, keyless entry, and cruise control. 4-wheel drive is also available, making the ModVans CV1 a capable vehicle for winter camping. Nissan Campers ENV200 and NV300. Volkswagen has California, Mercedes has Marco Polo, and Nissan has now released 2 official camper vans based on the already popular among conversion workshops platforms NV300 and ENV200. Both vehicles have pop-up roofs, that allow for additional sleeping spot for two on top. The interior has stationary heating and window shades to ensure ideal temperature for the occupants. There is a stainless steel sink and a dining table, plus customers can order individual upgrades directly at the dealerships. Notably, ENV200 Camper will be the first mass-produced electric camper van in the world. Would you agree with us that a decent camper van does not have to cost like a house? If we missed any of the interesting conversion projects and well-known companies that produce affordable campers, let us know in the comments. Watch other videos suggested on this screen and subscribe to our channel to get access to lots of informative videos about the automotive world. And as always, may the torque be with you!